Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you my July Boxycharm. I just literally received this in the mail, wiped it off, and I did take a peek inside, but I wanted to show you guys what I got and talk about the description and the pricing of each item. So let's dive right into this Boxycharm box. Okay, so first you get the little description card, and the theme this month is Status 000. I'm not sure what Status 000 is, but if you know, let me know. Okay, so the first thing that we have in the box is this Natasha Denona Cupid eyeshadow palette. It consists of 5 eyeshadows, and this retails for $48. The description on this says, with 3 velvety mattes and 2 dazzling metallics, the versatile 5-pan Cupid palette is all you need to create a range of romantic looks from flirty to fierce. Featuring rich coppery browns, bright champagne pinks, and luscious burgundy corals, all 5 shades are velvety, hydrating, and effortless to layer. Okay, now we're up close in this Natasha Denona Cupid palette. So you got this beautiful like berry brick shade, a more everyday crease like taupe shade, a golden shimmer, a chocolate brown, and then more of a bronzy colored shimmer, which this could be used every day. It's very, very pretty. I really like this. The next item is this from the Beauty Crop. It is a dual-ended, long-wearing liquid eyeshadows. On one side is a creamy velvet pigmented matte formula, and on the other is a dazzling liquid glitter formula. They are easy to blend and can be layered, mixed, and matched. A double dose of fun. These retail for $18, so that's really cool that you get 2 shades. Okay, next up you get the Jekka Black Glow Drops. This says, prep and brighten your complexion with a healthy, natural glow. Apply all over face using your fingertips before your base. Glow drops can be worn alone or used as a buildable highlight when completing your makeup look. This retails for $20. It is vegan friendly and cruelty free, and it looks like the shade is Rose Pearl. Okay, this next item that we have is by Alley Oop. It's called Stack the Odds. It's a best-selling 3-in-1 stackable compact that packs a cream blush, bronzer, and highlighter for a complete natural look. The creamy formula is blendable, buildable, and infused with moisturizing ingredients like jojoba and sunflower seed oil for a natural glow. Apply directly with the fingers anytime, anywhere, or with a makeup brush for a more dramatic effect. Travel-friendly and a lightweight compact, the cream formula doesn't break like traditional powder products. This retails for $38 and is in the shade Sunkissed. Okay, this is the Alley Oop Stack the Odds 3-in-1 stackable compact. So you get the cream bronzer, the cream blush, and then a cream highlighter, and this really cute little mirror at the top that says pretty face with a little heart. I think this is so awesome, and I cannot wait to use it. The highlighter looks a little too dark for me, but I may can use it as like an eyeshadow or something else, but I'm definitely going to try all these out. Super excited for it. And also, this is very similar to Melt Cosmetics packaging. These don't separate, but they do slide. So you would just kind of slide it back in like that, and then close the top. So that is so cool and so cute and easy to travel with. And the last item that we have is by Kate Somerville. It is the Goat Milk Moisturizing Cream. I'm actually really excited I got this. I have wanted to use this in the past before, but it does retail for $76, and that is why I have not purchased it. I actually did need a new moisturizer, so super excited. This says, clinically tested, safe for sensitive skin, and gentle enough for all skin types. This nourishing cream is clinically formulated with moisture-boosting, visible redness-reducing ingredients known to soothe dry, tight skin, inspired by the Relief founder Kate experienced as a child when goat's milk helped alleviate her painful eczema. So that's really cool. I did not know that about Kate Somerville, but it's awesome. My skin is super sensitive and always red, so I'm very excited to try this out. Okay guys, so that was my Boxycharm for the month of July. If you are subscribed to Boxycharm and get these boxes, let me know in the comments down below what you received, if we got similar items or if you got something different, if you've tested yours out, how you like it, what you don't like, let me know. Thank you guys so much for watching. I know this was a very quick video, and if you want to see a try-on of any of the stuff or all of it, let me know as well, and I can do a video on that. Thank you guys so much. I love you. Bye.